Right. Today we're going to bring a SATA reader for your hard drives or your external, actually for any mechanical or SATA, which is solid state drive. But it actually can read the old drives too. So this is pretty handy for smaller. This is for actually the smaller drives, which is older drives for the laptops. But it actually has a SATA on the corner. And then for the external ones, for the older versions, for the pin ones, you would have the external power, which is included in here. Now they do give you a power supply because that's in case you're gonna plug it in here. There's an on and off button here. It's a 3.0 connection, so you give you a type A to type A 3.0, and then if you want they do give you an adapter type A to type C. So I'm going to test it out on a SATA drive and see how well it works in here and see how it lights up and how you turn it on. So let's go and plug it in and see how it works. All right, so what you need to do is plug it in through the A right here. All right, there's only one connection, and we do have a drive here, and it's a SATA drive. It's a solid state drive, and you guys can see that. Now you're gonna have to marry these two. Make sure you don't mess them up at the right pins, all right? And they just connect like that, and that's pretty much how you have to handle it. Now we're gonna go ahead and plug it in, and we're also gonna get an extension because I don't have a type A connection on my laptop. So we're going to go ahead and put this extension that they give you. I like that they give you this because this is a very handy thing tool. I like that they give you this. It's an adapter for any type C to type C. So we're going to plug it in and see how it works. So right now there's no power to it. So we're going to go ahead and power it up. There it is. It's coming up. We got the light. We got a blinking here. And here's the actual drive that we have. You guys can see there's nothing on the drive right now. So we have 500 gigs of space in here. But if you work in the IT field or an engineer, you want to transfer your old information over to the new system, you can do that with this device. It has for the older drives too, the mechanical drives. And then of course for the larger drives, and of course they do give you the external power too for it. So very simple to put together, easy to use, and easy to transfer all your old documentation from your old machines. You could even clone devices from here. You could clone different hard drives too. For your older drives to the newer drives, you can do that. You could transfer from between drives too. Very simple, easy to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video.